Hey, my name is Andi Bühler. This is the DrumCode, eighth notes and quarters. So, 4 spots mean we play 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. For that we use the tom-toms. Right hand on the right tom-tom, left hand on the left tom-tom. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 white spots. That's this one. So the eighth notes we're gonna play as double strokes. That means we still count the same 1, 2, 3, 4, but when you have a black spot, we play on the snare 2 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1 black spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. If all the 4 positions have black spots, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the hand position is exactly the same like with the quarter notes. It's 1 with the right hand, 2 with the left hand, 3 with the right, 4 with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're always going to play right, left, but if you have a black spot, you double the hand. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna show you the first 4 numbers of the 16 combinations. Always count out loud to keep the positions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, So now you could, if you like to, add a foot pattern. If you don't like, you just go on through the whole reading book with the 4 spot section, counting out loud and playing what we just did. But if you like, you can add a foot pattern. The foot pattern goes like this. So it's right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do exactly the same what you do with the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. With the hands, you sometimes play the doubles, the black spot. The feet stay the same all the time. So I'm gonna go on at number 5, playing the 8th notes, doubles, and the quarter notes with the hands, and with the feet I'm gonna play that pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5. The tempo is up to you. If you're technically able, you can go up in the tempo for sure and play like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you manage that, then you can go to the 3-spot section. There you have always 3 spots, so we count in 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's the same. The quarter notes are on the tom-toms. That means in the first bar you have 1, 2, 3, right, left, right. In the second bar you start with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, left, right, left. It's no problem because you're in that mood anyway. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just try to do it. Count out loud the 1, 2, 3, and play always right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the same, if you have a black spot, you play 8 notes doubles on the snare. I'm going to show you the first 3 numbers of the 8 combinations. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Tempo is up to you. Always count to keep the positions. After a while you don't need to count anymore because you feel it anyway. But really in the beginning, count out loud. So, go through the reading book with the 3-spot section with all that stuff. That's gonna take a while. But after that, you might want to add a foot pattern again. In this case, with the 3 spots, you add a waltz pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you don't know it, it might take a while to get used to this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now you're gonna add the hands, which are playing something different now. Different than the feet. They play the same like before, sure. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. So you try to play that on top. As soon as this works, it really takes a while. Don't be hasty with that one. When it feels good, you can add the black spots. So that means add the doubles on the snare. I'm going to play again the 8 combinations, the first 4 numbers. With the foot pattern, 1, 2, 3, waltz. And doubles on the snare, quarters on the tom-toms. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Tempo is up to you. Can go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3. Okay, have fun with it and see you soon. Bye.